Today we're going to talk about all the ways you can feed your source data into Sales Cookie for commission and bonus calculation. So as you can see from our integrations, we have a ton of native integrations with Microsoft Dynamics, HubSpot, QuickBooks, Salesforce. So with any of those systems, it's as easy as entering your credentials within Sales Cookie, even your trial account, and we can then pull read-only data every hour from any of those systems. We also support Zapier, which connects over 2,000 online applications, so you can zap data into Sales Cookie, or if you're using any other application or system out there, you can use industry available APIs, our own patent pending interfaces, so a ton of ways to pull data in. So let's go look at what that looks like. So I'm logged into a trial account. I just go to settings, I go to connections, and voila, I have all these options available for me. And it's as simple as just clicking on the connection you want, entering your API key, for example, in HubSpot, or the credentials for some of the other systems, hit test, and now we're in business. We can start pulling read-only data. Thanks.